We're so excited and happy to have on the show California Republican Senate candidate and baseball legend, Steve Garvey. Hey, Steve, thank you so much for coming on the show tonight. It's so good to see you. Okay, let's get right at it.
First of all, thank you so much.
It's good to see you.
It.
Sure.
Yeah.
You're running for the Senate in California. Why do you want to run? How are you going to fix California?
Well, I've had this wonderful 50-year love affair with California. Of course, playing the great game of baseball and going out every night with 30,000 people who are criticizing my job, so to speak, but showing them how the game should be played, my dedication to the fans. And I always said, especially in the beginning of this race, I never took the field for Democrats, Republicans, independents, conservatives. But I played for all the fans, and now I'm running for all the people. And I think that's very unique, and my opponents can't say that.
It's got a crime crisis, a border crisis, and a housing crisis. How are you going to fix all that?
Well, our career politicians have created this. They've created policies that are quicksand for the people of California, our hardworking citizens, and America. So I think I'll go back and be pragmatic. You know, I've got common sense and compassion. I'm a consensus builder. I've built teams throughout my life, championship teams. I know how to work with people. And a year from now, I'll be the next elected U.S. Senator from California. And I'll start to build those teams. And of course, with Senator Cruz before, you know, so very disciplined and smart and straightforward. People like to hear that kind of talk.
You know, let's take a look at this debate moment with Democrat Adam Schiff. You're running against him. You called him out for misleading America. Let's take a listen.
I think you've been censored for lying. Sir, you lied to 300 million people. You can't take that back.
Just called a liar by Mr. Garvey.
Okay, 30 seconds.
Mr. Garvey, I was censured for standing up to a corrupt president. And you know something? I would do it all over again.
Wait a minute, Steve. He was censored for lying to the American people, not for standing up. You know what I mean? So can you take us through that moment?
Well, first of all, when these elected officials, you know, talk down to us, and they talk to us, they're essentially misleading us. And the people understand that. We, the people, realize the difference between what's real and unreal. And whenever I'm provoked, you know, I'll defend myself and my family and my country. And I was provoked at that moment. A little out of character for Steve Garvey, mild-mannered Steve Garvey. No, somebody that people mistake kindness for weakness sometimes. And I stood up for good values of common sense. He lied to the people. He was censored. And we, the people, 300 million people know that.
You know, the Republicans have not won a statewide office in California, I think, since 2006. Okay, so the three Democrats that were on that debate stage, they're attacking you for voting for Trump and your criticisms of President Biden. What would you say to them now?
Well, I'd say to them, this is typical. You know, they're trying to paint me into a corner, MAGA, an anti-Republican, anti-abortion, so to speak. But I think what's important is I'm very pragmatic, and I stand up for the people. And the important thing is when we talk, and I talk to the people straightforward on this journey I'm on now, I ask them about their lives. And for 15, 20 minutes, they tell you about the struggle for getting up in the morning, figuring out what to eat that week, going to the gas station and buying $10 worth of gas instead of 10 gallons worth of gas, and then affordability of housing. You can't lie to the people. And we, the people, are going to go back to the Senate with me leading them. And every day I'm going to go to bat for them, so to speak, so that we turn this country around back to sensibility and making progress towards being this country that, by the way, people are watching all around the world. They're looking at our weaknesses. And when you implode from within, your weaknesses from within, they see the opportunity to attack. I want to re-strengthen us from the inside out and collectively bring us together and make this country, as they've always said, not a country that can be looked down at, but looked up to, because we're the torchbearers of democracy for the world.
Got it. Steve Garvey, come back soon. We love having you on. It's good to see you. And good luck with your race, okay? Thank you for coming on.